Morning, guys. December 2nd, and today's Monday. I want to make it to the gym. I have my water. You see, I need this type of water bottle to remind me to drink water because apparently I don't like drinking water and it's bad for me. Anyways, I want to rush to the gym so I could start going to work.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that low mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working
Let me go and eat. Hey. Let me go eat. I prepare for work. My workout is working. It's working. That's all I can say. I know what's going on in my leg, but I needed to get out of the house. I need new workout outfit for picture sake because this is doing the work well for picture sake. Guys. Anyways, my battery is low, but let's just quickly talk. I want to quickly eat and go prepare for work. So do you know, normally I don't eat in the morning. I just drink smoothie and all, but mostly because I've been having digestive problems. But yesterday night I was hungry and I was like, it's too late. I'm not eating. And so the thing I wanted to eat yesterday night, that's what I'm eating now. Last time. It's not aesthetically pleasing. Oh. I have to clean this. So pasta and turkey, boiled egg is inside here. So just how I want it. It's just little. And I have my herbal tea. Actually, not tea, it's like abo. My mommy literally sent me the ingredients to buy. I had to go to African store to get this ingredient. One of the days where my mom would tell me to do something or drink something, I'll be like, oh, no. Until she says, I drink it. Because before me, I've been having digestive problem. And you know one thing that started helping me recently? It's something that my mommy has been forcing me to do since when I was small. That as soon as I wake up, I should drink water. Me, I don't like water. And that's why I have that water bottle right to even remind me. So talk less of not drinking it as soon as you wake up. But you know, for 2 days now, I just put it by my side. And so when I woke up, I don't want to drink it, but I'm like, and my system has been getting free. This is something I've been going to the hospital back and forth. By God's grace, it's permanent. I'll continue doing all these things, but this one is some herbs also to help my stomach, and I'm going to do it. Anyways, yesterday's video, I went to the cinema. I didn't really show much because I was concentrating on the movie, but one of my friends said that I didn't talk about the movie at all, but it was because I didn't want to spoil it for you guys. So major characters are Ariana and Cynthia in the movie. There, Galinder, and Ephaba. Yeah. So it's just set in the Oz kingdom. So Wizard of Oz, that type of stuff. And not to spoil it, but it's just showing how they turned the green Ephaba into a wicked witch, which was a lie. Yeah, so that's it. Go and watch it. Anyways, what else did I want to say? Anyways, I'm going to work soon. And I'll see you guys later in the evening. But later today, I'm going to tell you guys about how I survived my first year in the United States. So I came here without funding. I got funding later. So I just want to tell you guys how I survived, all the jobs I did to survive my first year in the United States. So see you guys then. Off to work. Hey guys, it's currently 5:09. Just left work and I'm quickly stopping at Target to get something. And I'll be back home to end this vlog. Get this. So guys, I just got my new plant for the week. I use Factor. I'm not like influencing for them or anything, but they've been helping me with healthy meals, so it makes sense. So this week I'll be eating one of this. I'll show you guys. Okay. But right now, let me just try to tell you a story about how I survived my first year in the United States. Hey guys, it's currently like 5:48. Exhausted, just got back from work. But I want to quickly tell you guys a story. I want to tell you guys how I survived my first year in the United States without funding. So I came to the United States, like I said, in 2018 for my master's, and that master's was not funded. So I came January 2018. My family paid my tuition for the first semester, and like when I was coming, they gave me some cash. But when I came, I had to figure out myself, right? So let me figure out myself. Yeah, I paid like my first bills and all, but like, how do you go from there? How do you continue paying your rent? How do you continue feeding? So I think the money helped me for like the first 2 months or so, but I needed to get a job, right? And apart from a job, I needed to get a credit card. So the very first thing I did was credit card. So I deposited that cash in the bank and applied for credit card, and they gave me my first credit card had like a limit of $1,000, which is small. But I started with that. And the good thing with my credit card at that point, when I came, I think I was 22 in January, because I think I was completely 23 by the end of the year. That's November. But what they did, I don't know if it was because of my age or if they just do it for new customers, but my card was free. What that means is that I was not going to be charged any interest for not paying my balance. I just needed to pay the minimum payment so that I won't get late fees. That really helped me, because as I started living, I realized that I could not keep up with my expenses because I didn't have like cash inflow. So that leads me to the job. I was looking for a job on campus, 20 hours allowed in school. And I finally got my first job in Florida with Aramark. Aramark is like a dining food company. They're in the food business, so they have like dining halls on campus. And so I was working there. Funny story, the first day, they put me to be a cashier. Even till now, like I don't do money, like I don't do pennies and notes. I use card. So it was difficult for me because I don't even know their money at that point, right? I was doing rubbish. And I think my manager was doing rubbish, and they just took me away from them. And so I now became a server. It was at the hub. USF people, if you know the hub. Anyways, so I was now a server at the hub. Then at a point, I started doing chef duties, but still being paid as a server. So I was receiving minimum wage, right? At the end of the month, this money from this restaurant business or whatever could barely pay my rent. I think my rent was like $570 at that point, or $600. And maybe at the end, I'm getting like $500. I know. So like I was always at a deficit, right? And sometimes it was not up to 20 hours. So, but any money I get there, that's what I'll use to pay the rent. Then I'll use my credit card for other things. At the end of the month, I'll pay minimum payment, and there'll still be like balance on it. But like I said, it was free till my birthday. So I realized that I needed another one, and I then got like another credit card that was mainly for student Discover. So that's what I was using to survive, like combine those two credit cards. So it was the money I was getting from Aramark. And at a point, I also got job with the bookstore. I think, was it Barnes and Nobles? When I was working there, it was first of all 4 letter. I think it then changed to Barnes and Nobles later. So I was literally combining Barnes and Nobles and Aramark to complete my 20 hours to get this money to pay rent and then use credit card for food and all. So that's what I did from like when I entered in January down to the end of 2018. But the good thing was that in fall, which started in August, I got some partial scholarship, which now helped supplement. So it was now better. I could now pay some bills, and I could like afford to pay some things, even if there was no extra. And then in 2019, everything changed. Anyways, let me know when you came to the United States, or not just the United States, when you went to another country that was not your own country. How did you survive? Did you have scholarship from the beginning? Are your parents rich? You didn't need to work? Did you work? Just let me know. For me, did I enjoy my work? So at the beginning, it was exciting. I was getting free food from the hub, blah, blah, blah. But let me tell you, at a point, I just needed to get out of there. And thank God, the point where I was like, I want to get out of here was when I got like a proper job with a professor. And also, yeah, I'll be telling you guys all about how I got my funding for my master's tomorrow. So stay tuned. And remember to tell me your story down in the comments. Yeah, this is my dinner. It's pork chop with sweet corn, beans, and I think this is zucchini. Let me see. Pimento verde pork chop. That's what makes it like. Pimento verde pork chop. Anyways, and I'll take a shot of probiotics and my water. Anyways, good night. It was nice talking to you guys today. See you tomorrow.